First, you'll import the logo and animate its position. Click the Project tab to bring the project panel forward. Then double-click an empty area of the project panel to open the Import File dialog box. Select the blue crab logo.psd file in the Lessons Lesson 03 Assets folder. Choose Composition, Retain Layer Sizes in the Import As menu. And remember, in Mac, you may need to click the Options to see the Import As menu. Then click Import or Open. In the blue crab logo.psd dialog box, select Editable Layer Styles and click OK. Drag the blue crab logo composition into the timeline panel, placing it at the top of the layer stack. The logo is centered on the screen, but you want it to enter from the left and move down to replace blue crab charters. You'll animate the layer's position and scale properties to do that. With the blue crab logo layer selected, press P to reveal its position property, and then press Shift S to reveal the scale property as well. Move the current time indicator to 10 seconds, and change the position values to -810 and 122, and set the scale to 25%. Click the stopwatch icon next to each property to create initial keyframes. Go to 11 seconds, then change the position to 377 and 663, and set the scale to 85%. After Effects creates keyframes for the properties. The logo moves into position, but you want it to swoop in rather than moving in a straight line. You'll add some intermediate position keyframes. Go to 1015. And change the position to 139 and 633. Go to 1030 and set the position to 675 and 633. Go to 10 seconds, and then press your spacebar to preview the animation. Press the spacebar again to stop the preview, and then hide the layer properties.